So this is very simple to do. With this video, I am showing you how you can record your videos. You want to do a tutorial, you want to teach people how to do things. This video is going to be helping you to see how I do my recording. Sometimes when I don't have time at all, I just want to do something sharply, the Nigerian language, the Nigerian tone. You can see my face, right? You can see my face. So this is what I do. If you want to record a video, you can just do this. So what I do is I put a mirror in front of myself and use it to record. What you want to do is you want to use this camera at the back. Don't use your front camera. These are one of the rules you want to do. So the camera is turning itself off because I'm not using it. So what you want to do is you use your back camera to record a tutorial. You want to tell somebody, you want to tell people what to do, how to do things. Don't use your front camera. Then you want to use a tripod. If you're not using a tripod and you want to sit down, you want to use something like this, a tripod that can work for you. This is not as long as what I want. So I decided to use this book to patch it. So you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be extra perfect. I decided to do this setup for you to see that you can start with anything if you are doing a tutorial on anything. So I'm using this space to tell you, this video to tell you that you can do anything with whatever you have. So let me just jack my chair up so you can see me properly, or let me just move to this side so you can see me properly. So my point is you can do a tutorial with your phone by just keeping it this way. You can use books by just keeping it this way, and this is going to help you a lot. You do not have to wait till you have a very big tripod. You do not have to wait to have let's say I want to do a tutorial on this table and I want to let me just experiment. Let's say I want to teach you how to do something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn the camera down so you can see things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing things here. So this is going to show how I'm supposed to be doing things. So I'm just going to be doing whatever I want to. Let's say I want to teach people this is how to cut something. This is how you want to do this. It is very easy. Very easy to do. So guys, try to practice this and this is going to work really well for you. Do you want to learn how to edit the video you have done? Let's say you have done a video and you want to learn it. I'm going to drop a video in this channel, on this channel, so you can learn how to edit your videos. The way I edit my videos that I have done, so that you can also learn how to edit videos. So but you are going to have to do something. Go and download CapCut, go and download InShot, either of the two. I'm going to create a video on how to edit with CapCut or InShot. Meanwhile, if you're a fashion designer and you want to do something as bigger than that, you have to find a very bigger tripod, like a standing tripod, that is going to work for you to be able to create videos well. So what you need to do is to put the tripod in front of your table and check your video if it is capturing all the details that you need, and it's going to work for you. Did you learn anything from this video? If you do, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you so much, and I want you to give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Ciao.